navigate in Quizlet and how to complete each of the activities. Okay, when you're on the Quizlet homepage, one thing you can do is click sets. You can find your classes here if you've made any folders. I am simply going to this test set because this is something that I created, which is very simple to be able to show you quickly how to complete at each activity. Okay, in flashcards, it simply gives you this answer, and then you're going to click and see the term. Click again to see the definition. Use this to advance. Okay, again, click to see the definition, the word, advance. Here you can see my progress. Okay, click to see the word, click to advance. Okay, and now notice I clicked through to the end and it says nice work. You just studied 4 terms. Okay, I'm going to go back. I'm going to show you how to do learn. Okay, now it says you have to answer each term correctly twice to finish. You have to click got it. Number of cats Mrs. Jenkins has. I'm going to pick a wrong answer so you can see what happens. It says, uh-oh, you have to study this one. College that Mrs. Jenkins' daughter Alea goes to. Here. Room number. I'm going to pick the right answer. Notice I'm starting to get familiar. College Nora goes to. Again, I'm going to pick a wrong answer. Okay, it tells me the right answer. Okay, cats. Oh, I know that one. College that Nora. Here we go. Okay, nice. We all moved to familiar. Okay. Room number. Now I have to type the answers. Now, if I type this word, oh, the correct answer was 4, but I wrote the word. I'm going to click here, override I was correct, because I just wrote it out as a word. That was right. College that Mrs. Jenkins' daughter Alea goes to. Okay. Remember that one. Okay, almost there. Okay, now it says, congratulations, you've learned everything. Again, click finish. So I've done flashcards and learn. For write, you are going to write out the word. Okay, so I got it all right. Okay, go back. Spell. Okay, notice I finished. I'm going to go back. I finished flashcards. I finished learn, write, spell. I'm going to go to test. Okay, got 100 on the test. Match. Start the game. I have to match these up. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ta-da. Okay. Back. It did match. Gravity. Okay, I'm actually going to go back and show you about gravity because I picked the wrong thing. Here, answer with term. Okay, I don't want to write out the definition. As they fall, I'm going to type them in. Notice when you type a wrong answer, you just get more time. Okay, now I'm going to go back